In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam failed to start game app already running. This error usually pops up when Steam thinks your game is still open in the background even though you've closed it. It can happen after a crash, a freeze, or when Steam doesn't shut down cleanly. The fix is quick. We'll fully close Steam and end the stuck background process so you can launch your game normally. First, open Steam and look to the top left corner for the Steam menu. Click it, then choose Exit. This tells Steam to close gracefully, which is always the best first move. If Steam was downloading or updating something, don't worry. It will pause and can resume later. Next, we'll make sure no Steam process is still running. On your Windows desktop, click into the search bar and type Task Manager. When you see Task Manager in the results, click to open it. If you prefer a shortcut, press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. Then choose Task Manager from that menu. Either path gets you to the same place. With Task Manager open, you'll see a list of apps and background processes that are currently running. Look through the list and find Steam, which may appear as Steam, 32-bit. That's the background process that sometimes gets stuck and prevents games from launching. Click on Steam, 32-bit, to highlight it so you can manage it. Now click End Task. This force closes Steam's lingering process and clears the flag that makes Steam believe your app is already running. Ending this task won't harm your games or your library. It simply shuts down Steam completely so you can start fresh. If a download or update was in progress earlier, it can continue the next time you open Steam. That's it. By exiting through the Steam menu first and then ending the Steam 32-bit process in Task Manager, you remove the leftover background instance that triggers the failed to start game app already running error. This is a safe, reliable way to reset Steam state after a crash or a stuck launch. If the error appeared because a previous session didn't close properly, this clears it up almost every time. The next time you open Steam and launch your game, it should start without that message. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps anytime you run into this error, and you'll be back in your game quickly and confidently.